welcome to another video from Travel with Charlie and Friends, and welcome to Oualie Beach. This place is owned and ran by a gentleman called John, who's also a musician and plays in a band, and there are music festivals and lots of things going on here, and John certainly has a tale or two to tell. We're going to have a look inside some of these rooms, and I've got to say they were really quite pleasant. The location of this resort is fabulous and is right on the beach, on Lovers Beach, which is also where the annual swim across from Nevis to St. Kitts takes place. I really liked the look and feel of this place, and John, the owner, was telling us that he wants to keep it as a 3-star resort, then he can exceed people's expectations, and I was very impressed. This resort has 32 rooms and suites, and it is well known for its warm hospitality, a hidden gem. And this is room 211, Sunset View. This room features a king size bed, and this is a premier room, room 211. More details on the official website. We'll put details down below. Very big bathroom there and a little seating area as well. And of course a great balcony looking out towards the beach. And really high quality furnishings. Looks really nice. John was telling us that he recently had commissioned some exclusive, very comfortable mattresses, which looked comfortable, although we didn't get a chance to test them out. And this is a studio room which can sleep up to 4 people. There's a little settee in front of the bed there. There it is, that turns into a little bed, and very nice indeed. TV on the wall, and of course a bathroom as well, and that big kitchen setup. Very spacious indeed. There is a spa here as well, and a conference room, and of course very near to the beach, and a lovely bar that serves very strong cocktails. And you can see, looking at that mattress, it does look very comfortable indeed. A safe there, and this is a deluxe room with 2 double beds. Can sleep up to 4 people. And a nice little bathroom there as well. Very much into being eco-friendly. You'll see that there are solar panels outside the rooms which heat the water, and a bar and restaurant which we're going into now for some extra strong cocktails. Thanks for watching.